Look, it would be easier if she up sticks and went. And while she's still living here, saying those things, I can't move on. In limbo.
Sorry it took so long.
That's all right. So is it arrivederci or not?
I'm afraid it's arrivederci. But I prefer ciao between friends. We are still friends.
Of course. You deserve a fresh start. God knows I could do with one. Seems to get on all right.
Yeah. I'm glad she's been able to move on. I just wish I had the same opportunity.
Dear, didn't think you were your type.
You can say that again.
Why don't you two knock off early, eh? I can help Louis clear up. You look done in.
It's all right.
No, it's not. You've not been yourself all day. And don't you need to spend some quality time with that husband of yours?
Well, suits me, but...
Oh, well, if you're sure.
Perfectly. You get off.
Thanks.
Cheers.